Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can disable voice calls in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you do this, what you need to do is click on Home, which you see on the bottom left hand corner. Then you can see the gear icon on the top right hand corner, the settings icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Scroll a bit down and you can see chats. And you can see right at the chats is calls. Go ahead and tap on calls and you can see right now that you have currently allowed the voice calls. But if you are irritated because you are getting a lot of call and you want to disable this setting to reject the incoming calls and stop receiving missed calls and notifications, you can turn this off directly. So you can go ahead and turn this button off. And there you go. Now you will not be getting any voice calls, but make sure that you have turned this off because you will not know what has been stopping the calls from coming. So if you are free again and want to turn this on, it's very easy to locate. Go to Home, click on Settings, scroll a bit down and find Calls. Go ahead and enable this option, and now the voice calls have now been allowed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.